Hello and welcome. So if you are watching this video, it means that you are looking for a way to share your login credentials for a website with your friends or your team without actually giving them your email and password. And this is the place, and this is where your search stops. So let's get started. The plugin name is J2 Team Cookies. Now, the first step is write the plugin name on your browser or use the link in the description. It's a Chrome extension and there is also an Edge extension. Now, once you install this plugin, you will find it up here, as you can see, or you'll find it in the list of plugins here on Edge. I'm using Edge. So let's say that I have ChatGPT and I want to share my account with my friends, but I don't want to share this account email and password. So to do so, all what you need to do is to open ChatGPT, go to the plugin, and click on the export button right here, export as a file. Now, once you export, it will be exported as a file, or you can export it as a text, and it will be copied to your clipboard. Now, both methods work. Now, let's imagine that we have sent the text or that file to our friend device. Now, the first step will be giving him this extension link so that he can install it. So here is the extension link, and he must click on get extension. Here I'm having Edge, but if you are having Chrome, you can download it from the Chrome store. Now we have it here. Now the next step will be pinning this extension because we'll use it a lot, and click here and click import. Now you have two import options: import from file, import from text, import from URL. Now let me open up ChatGPT so that you can see that it's not okay, that I'm not signing in by default. Here is the page. Now click here and click import file. I will import the file that I just downloaded here and import successfully. Now, once I import it, as you can see, it refreshed the page, and now I'm inside ChatGPT, as you can see in this image. Now, the second method, which is the easiest method, is just to copy the text. People hate files, so you can copy the cookie text, paste it into this plugin so that you can share your ChatGPT account or any other account without sharing your login credentials. This is a super solution that will save you a lot of time and will keep your credentials safe. You can always sign out or revoke these cookies so that you sign out everyone from this account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, sorry, and watch our playlists for a lot of other tutorials. This is Ashraf al Madhoun.